what their needs are. And let's say after you ask that question about what was it about the ad that attracted their attention, there's like, well, I saw this and I was just more curious about blah, 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 blah. Okay. After they tell you why they responded, then you say, okay. And do you know what you're possibly looking for? Or do you know what you're looking for? Notice that verbal pause. And do you know what you're looking for? That verbal pause causes them to do what? Think deeper about what I'm asking. That's your second connective question in this situation. Now you're getting more of a picture of what their real situation is, okay? Let's say at this point, when you ask them, do you know what you're looking for? Yeah, I'm looking for this, possibly, blah, blah, blah. Now at this point, we need to set a frame. We call this an NAPQ status frame. Let me move this over here, okay? So this is called an NAPQ status frame. This is why this is so important. They need to know that there could be possible next steps at the end of this first call or meeting. Now, we have to tweak this a little bit based on if you sell B2B or B2C and what industry you sell. There are a few tweaks. So I'm going to give you a generic example, and then I'll give you a few different industry-specific examples so you can see how the structure works in tying what you sell to this. Okay, so this is the third connective question. So the first part of this call, it's pretty basic. It's really more for us to find out kind of what you have in place now, maybe the results you're getting from that, compare the results that you're wanting to get, to see what that gap looks like, to see if we can help. And then towards the end of the call, if you feel that, hey, that this might be what you're looking for, we can talk about possible next steps. Would that help you? Now, I'm going to give you a few different industry-specific examples so you know how the formula works.